What's going on, family? Sir Ashley here, and in this video I'm doing a continuation of what I did yesterday. I'm giving you a home tour for a Taylor Morrison floor plan. Now if you aren't familiar with what I did yesterday, please check out this video right here, and I tell you about how you can enter into a lottery for one of the 8 lots they are releasing in the Massey community in Fort Mill. And in this video we are going to go over another floor plan just so I can show you what you can build in this community. Now, present pricing for this floor plan is anywhere from $483 all the way up to $498, and that does not include the lot premium. Now, that's the pricing for the Massey community in Fort Mill. Now, they can build this floor plan in other communities in the greater Charlotte area, particularly the Walden community in Huntersville, North Carolina. Now, the Walden community, for this exact floor plan, it will be a little bit more expensive. So that is why I want to stress to you how much bang for your buck you can get for this community, for this property right here in Fort Mill. If you like talking about real estate, money, or touring properties, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also consider tapping on that bell icon so you can be alerted for when we drop new videos. I'm Sir Ashley, a licensed realtor in North Carolina and South Carolina. All right, let's go ahead and tour the property. And if you talk to any of the Taylor Morrison reps at that community, whether it be Claudia, whether it be Lauren or Sean, they are amazing people and they can help you, but you need an advocate on your side, somebody to represent you and your interest, because those three, they represent Taylor Morrison and are looking out for Taylor Morrison's best interest. You need somebody to do the same, and it's no cost to you when you buy new construction. The builder already has it factored into their pricing. All right, let's go ahead and look at this property. Now we're about to go into the London floor plan. Now this is anywhere from 3,200 square feet up to 4,700 square feet. Yes, that is a wide spectrum, but you can do so much with this floor plan. Now when you come in, you have that flex room they were using as an office. You have that dining room. Here is a drop zone to the garage area, and it opens up to a huge entertaining living room kitchen area. Now I love this floor plan. This might be my favorite floor plan. It has grown on me for Taylor Morrison because there's so many options. In addition to the normal stuff you can do at Taylor Morrison, get the deluxe kitchen package with the oven and the wall, upgraded lighting fixtures. You have an option in this floor plan to have a tandem garage, meaning you can fit 3 cars in it. You have an option for an additional suite downstairs, which they chose to do right here. Let's go into the pantry first, but they chose to put a suite downstairs. You also have an option to add a bonus room above the garage, as well as an option to have a basement. Again, you can have this from 3,200 square feet all the way up to 4,700 square feet. You have a lot of room to play with. And depending on your family circumstances, how you see your family growing, or if it's downsizing, you can configure it to fit your family's needs. Now we're headed upstairs. You have this loft area right here. This isn't the bonus room I was talking about. You get this loft area no matter how you configure, or if you get a bonus room or not. You have this suite up front. It has its own private bathroom as well. Now this floor plan is available in Massey in Fort Mill, but it's also available in the Walden community in Huntersville. You have a laundry room upstairs. Now you can choose to put cabinets in here. That is an upgrade if you put cabinets in your laundry room. Then you have 2 bedrooms back here, and they share that full bathroom right there. This is a perfect kid-size room. That is a full-size bed, just so you can get a feel for how large this room is. Another walk-in closet. And then both of those bedrooms share this bathroom right here. Now let's go, before we go into the owner's wing, the primary suite, this is the optional bonus room you can put above the garage. You can choose to finish this off as a bonus room, or you can have it as a bedroom and an ensuite as well. And this is your owner's suite with the tray ceilings. You have a huge room right here, tons of natural light coming in with the windows. Again, this floor plan, it wasn't initially my favorite Taylor Morrison floor plan, but it has grown on me. You have the first closet for the primary suite. There's another closet all the way at the end of the bathroom. Look at those floors. This is the second closet for the primary suite. Now this is an upgraded bathroom. The tile on the floor, the tile in the shower area. It just shows you what you can do with Taylor Morrison. Now let's head downstairs and check out the basement. This basement is absolutely humongous. Another look at the dining room with the butler pantry right there. Now remember, they are taking pricing appointments for the community Massey in Fort Mill by Taylor Morrison. Between the 2nd and the 17th, we need to make sure you're pre-approved with Taylor Morrison funding so you can be entered into the drawing, the lottery for the lots. Now upstairs you have the deck. Here you have a patio. You have a huge game room. And you have a full bathroom down here, as well as a very large bedroom, which you'll see that they have it configured as a gym. Let me know your thoughts regarding this floor plan. Number is on the screen if you need any assistance. We are here to help you and advise you throughout this process and to represent you when you're buying or selling a home. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.